morning. My name is Miguel Gonzalez, and I'm a certified retirement counselor with over 20 years of experience helping clients in retirement income planning, overseeing investment of funds, and designing retirement plans. Let's talk about why credit scores matter in retirement. Regardless of the stage of life, your credit score is an essential component of your financial health when you're in retirement. A consistently strong credit score can pave the way for greater confidence, easy loan access, and lower interest rates. Many retirees overlook the importance of maintaining a suitable credit score after they stop working, or that their credit score loses relevance in retirement, yet nothing could be further from the truth. Here's a detailed look at why your credit score matters in retirement. In conclusion, maintaining a suitable credit score is indispensable in your financial life, even throughout retirement. Retirees must focus on maintaining an excellent credit score to provide them with the financial independence in their golden years. Once again, this is Miguel Gonzalez with Cortburg Retirement Advisors. Please take a moment to click the like icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive our weekly video podcast every Monday morning. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next week.